Welcome to another midweek update video. These videos are for teammates, patrons, sponsors and YouTube members. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Thank you very much. Right, what have I been up to this week? Quite a lot. Oh no, hang on, what time am I recording this? Oh, bang on 8 o'clock on a Tuesday evening. I know.
Here, tell us, Spastic, what actually was your crime?
Whistling on a Tuesday, Jester.
You bastard!
I know, another late night of editing. And I've done an awful lot this week. I didn't think that I did, but I have. So let's see how quickly we can rattle through it. Dad's Binie Cooper S. Yep, so I've refurbed the nearside front suspension. I just need to assemble it and fit it, and then hopefully it'll be a rolling project. The Rally Mini. I've finished the nearside rear arch. All the welding's done the hatch, the inspection hatch, that's all done. Oh, I tried using riv nuts and it just wouldn't work for multiple reasons.
I don't understand this.
One, the shape of the rear bulkhead it wouldn't work very well, and the other one was access to get in there to actually use a riv nut tool. So in the end, I made my own captive nuts that I welded these little 6mm nuts onto washers, put them made a bigger hole, put them on, welded them up, lovely. And to be honest, they're a bit more sturdy than a riv nut. There's nothing worse than one of those stripping. I've primed it, I've seam sealed it. I didn't really need to seam seal it, but the abuse that, a rally car gets, I thought I might as well. So that's great. So now I can just move on to the other side.
The other side? What are you talking about?
Monty the Mark 1. I've done a few jobs on Monty. I mean, it's great using him as a daily driver now. Now, obviously Donnie's out of action with no MOT, but of course I then highlight little jobs that I need to sort out. One of them was the driver's door just wouldn't shut properly, so I did the same thing that I had to do with Catherine's door. The little wedgie thing, I gave it a bit of a file. Pooh, shuts a treat now. The front end, which I absolutely hate, the glass fibre front end, I originally had it held on with Zeus fasteners on the top. The springs had gone in them, one of them was actually missing. So anyway, I've replaced those with these rather natty push button things. Very, very nice, much tidier, and it's actually reduced the rattle on the front, which is nice because we're trying to reduce the noise on it. I've also installed our Brandt's timer into Donnie because obviously I want to start practicing all the timing and stuff for navigation. So when we're out, we can get geeky on the way to our food shop and do some timing. Donnie the Binie Cooper convertible. Right, thank you very much to everyone who gave me advice on how to get those locking wheel nuts off. In the end, I actually made my own little tool, and it's an interference fit that would go into the wheel nut. And then all I had to do is just weld, a little tack weld on there. And using my Mac Tools gun, they came out a treat, which was brilliant. Once I did that, I could actually fit what I thought was a defective wheel sensor on the front passenger side, fitted it, still kicks up a code. So that must be either a wiring issue somewhere else, or I don't know, maybe I just need to reset it, we'll see. The other job that it needs for the MOT was the driver's side handbrake cable had snapped. I did a little bit of research and it was surprising how much stuff you have to remove from the car to fit that. So anyway, I stripped all the interior out, around the exhaust, all this sort of stuff had to come off. Managed to fit it, and it probably took me about an hour and a half to do it all. And then I thought, well, I might as well do the other side because, I've got the cable. It's going to break sooner or later, isn't it? And while I've got it all stripped, let's do it. Not saying it was a mistake, but gee whiz, that really pushed my patience because the fitting, this bit that goes into the rear aluminium brake caliper, that was jammed like a good one. It just wouldn't come out. Not this one. Nah, this was the passenger side. This was the other one that came out. In the end, I had to drill that thing out. Look at it, that's all that's left of it. Yeah, so it took forever. It really did. And it tested my patience.
Hey, excuse me, I'm not actually known for my patience.
Oh, well, you're probably not Dr. Kildare then.
But it's done and adjusted. So I think all I need to do is figure out what's going on with this wheel sensor thing, and then I can chuck him in for an MOT. Future events.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Fast, sharp right. Fast, sharp right. Sharp right. Sharp right. Listen. Sammy, you have to listen to my call, Sammy. Please, I beg you.
Yes, Katrin and myself have entered the Hero ERA Rally of the Ages event. We did it last year, thoroughly enjoyed it. It's only it's basically a half-day challenge. It has 4 special tests and 4 navigation reliability things. That's the sort of length of event that Katrin can cope with. She definitely doesn't want to do like a full day one. I'm so keen to have a go again, especially after what I've learned after doing the rally with Glenn in his MGB GT. So, and this is in mid-June, and I've got a feeling that I won't have the rally mini ready. So we've entered Monty the Mark 1. Hey, hence the timing things in him as well. So I'll tell you what, that's going to be an adventure. Sponsorship opportunities. A massive thank you to everybody who's made a donation to sponsoring the Brandt's navigation trip meter. Your generosity does blow our mind, it really does. So big thank you to Fleet Mobile Auto Services, Peter Gennari, Tim Andrews and Calvin Wright. We're pretty much almost halfway to funding that bit of kit. Again, you're all legends, you really are, and hopefully we'll get that bit of kit installed in the Mark 1 so that we can practice at this Hero ERA rally. So the ultimate goal is then to install it into the Rally Mini for the Monte Carlo Historic. If you'd like to make a donation, doesn't matter how small it is, I will leave a link to our GoFundMe page in the descriptions. Alfie update.
All right, mate. Yeah, just cleaning myself. About time you clean the workshop. It's a bit filthy. You need to be a bit more cat. Okay.
Right, that's it. I'm trying to keep it, even though I've done quite a lot this week, I'm trying to keep it fairly short because I know that I've got to go upstairs now and edit this and at least try and get some sleep before I go to work in the morning. So, again, your support is absolutely amazing. Thank you very much. I will see you next week. Ta-ta for now.
Here's my arse. Cheers, mate.